Hi coffee lovers, check out the 4-in-1 Espresso Knock Box made from natural black walnut and birch for durability and style. This versatile station includes a 1.5-liter detachable stainless steel knock box that makes cleaning simple and efficient. It's designed to fit 58 Espresso accessories perfectly, keeping your counter clean and organized. The tamper holder features a stable slot design that minimizes shaking during powder pressing for precise tamping. With a smooth, rounded surface and non-slip foot pads, it feels comfortable and stays securely in place. Plus, the detachable knock box is easy to remove and wipe dry after use. This elegant and functional tamping station is an excellent gift for any espresso enthusiast. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.